In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Chrome videos not playing. If videos are not loading or playing properly in Google Chrome, don't worry. This is usually caused by a browser issue that can be fixed in just a few minutes. In this guide, I'll walk you through a simple process to make sure Chrome is updated and to clear browsing data, which often resolves playback problems. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three dots. This opens the main Chrome menu, where you can access the browser's settings and maintenance options. From that menu, click Settings. This will take you to the Chrome settings page, where you can manage browser behavior, security, and updates. After that, find and click About Chrome. On this page, Chrome will automatically check whether your browser is fully updated. This is an important step because outdated versions of Chrome can sometimes cause videos to stop playing, load incorrectly, or fail to respond on certain websites. Give Chrome a moment to complete the update check. If an update is available, let it finish installing. In some cases, you may also need to relaunch the browser for the update to fully apply. Once Chrome is up to date, test the video again and see if the issue has been resolved. If you're still having the same problem, go back into Settings and then click Privacy and Security. This section contains tools that help fix problems related to stored website data, cache files, and browser history. Now click Delete Browsing Data. This option lets you remove old temporary files that may be interfering with video playback. When the Delete Browsing Data window appears, click Delete Data. Clearing this information can help remove corrupted cached files or outdated website data that may be preventing videos from playing properly. Keep in mind that this may sign you out of some websites, so if you notice that afterward, that's completely normal. Once the data has been deleted, close Chrome and open it again. Then return to the website where the video was not playing and test it one more time. In many cases, updating Chrome and clearing browsing data is enough to solve the issue. That's it. If Chrome videos were not playing, this quick fix should help get everything working again.